Happiness is not around the corner, it is the corner. The Divo is made for corners. And I can't wait to have the world premiere at the Quay Lodge on the 24th of August. So stay tuned and we will tell you more.
The uncompromising interpretation of the Divo towards lateral dynamics has opened up a new set of possibilities for us, expressed in a more performance-oriented design. This one is quite a bit more
The coach
beast.
building gave us in engineering the opportunity to build up a new radical exterior with aerodynamic features on a given base and to give the customer a complete new feeling, especially driving in the corners.
Takes us back to the days when Jean Bugatti, the son of company founder Ettore, created one of his most memorable masterpieces in Bugatti history, the Type 57 SC Atlantique, probably one of the most valuable cars in today's automotive vintage world. We are reinforcing our pedigree in coach building made
Divo is
in
not a
Monza.
concept or show car. Divo is built for actual road use. More downforce, less weight, more G-force, resulting in a faster lap time.